Please welcome the Golden Boy, Paul Hornung.
Down goes Frazier. Down goes Frazier.
Please welcome the Golden Boy, Paul Hornung.
Down goes Frazier. Down goes Frazier. Okay, all you guys that gotta go to the bathroom, hurry now.
Bright light city, gonna set my soul on fire.
That's how the Packers used to treat the Bears back in the day.
Well, could we get you to join hands and do Kumbaya? It was just, you know, when the guys get together and have a few beers, you know, a little grab ass and a little swatting with the towels on the ass with the wet towels, you know.
How I wish that there were
I finally got even with this son of a bitch after 30 years. Michael. My ass is in trouble about 9:30 is all I can tell you.
Say, Hornung, I told you he hated you.
I mean, that was just, Jesus Christ, I thought I might be Butkus up here for a minute there. Now what can I say? You know, I came up here from Louisville, Kentucky this morning. I thought this was a toast for Gale Sayers, for Christ's sake. And